Hello, I received a facial cleanser from Skin Research Institute, and I've been using this for like a good week now. The hyaluronic acid in it helps my skin stay moisturized throughout the day, especially because it's really dry where I live. It's also been helping soothe the redness on my face. There's also no fragrance to it, which I really like because fragrance really irritates my skin, but this cleanser doesn't have any fragrance, and it's been soothing my inflammation around like my cheek area that I usually have when I wake up. I really hate the feeling that some cleansers give, and it like dehydrates the heck out of your skin, but this cleanser doesn't do that. It helps retain moisture. Thanks for watching this little unboxing of this cleanser. The link to this is in the description below.